Hiya, my name is Yasmin. I have heard about RSU Recruitment Startup sometime mid-January 2019, and I was looking for a new start in starting something of my own, and attending a workshop today has given me so much information on what I need to do, what I can do, and it has really opened the doors and it's given me a different opportunity. What I enjoyed about the workshop is that it was very informative in terms of how much I could potentially earn if I put 100% effort in a month, in 6 weeks, in a year. So we've been given a breakdown of how much you can potentially earn. That is, a big factor for anybody who wants to get into the recruitment business. I think this workshop is not for the faint-hearted. It's definitely for somebody who is a go-getter that wants to go out there and doesn't want to do a 9 to 5 and is fed up of working for somebody else like myself. I don't like being told what to do. This is something for you if you are like myself. You have to be in the entrepreneurial mindset in order for you to go on this field, and be willing to actually go that extra mile to get what you want. I would recommend it. I would also recommend it to all of my friends, family, anybody out there who is thinking about starting something new. This is a great way to invest in something, and the best time to do it is now, not tomorrow. Don't sleep on it, do it now.